For my Web 2.0 project, I chose AutoDraw. It's a neat little app. It can be used kind of as for entertainment purposes because essentially the AI guesses what you're drawing, or you can actually use it to make a quick sketch of something and then get a finished picture or drawing. So let's say I just want to start drawing and I'm doing it for fun. Um, I'm going to draw some mountains. And as you can see real quick there, we have several pictures of mountains we could choose from. Bam! That's much better than my mountain. I could use that for a poster if I was doing it, but I said it was just for fun. So let's start over again. All right, now I want to draw a lollipop. Okay, so we have some stop signs and things like that. There's also a text option. You can write text over these drawings, but I'm trying to draw a lollipop. And like that, we have a couple of lollipops. So this is a nice one here. And there you go. Now, I can share this artwork. So I need to get a link other than this. I need to save my output so I can put it up on my blog. So go to share. And there we go. Now I can copy the link. And this link is going to go ahead and you'll see it posted in my blog. So real simple Web 2.0 app. Useful for certain things and certainly it's entertaining. Thanks.